Hello, today I will inform you about Ruggable's return and exchange policy. Ruggable is a famous brand for its washable rugs and offers practical solutions in home decoration with its stylish, durable products. Ruggable, which draws attention with its quality and useful rugs, attaches great importance to customer satisfaction. Let's not forget to like for more videos like this. Ruggable offers the opportunity to return the products you purchase within 30 days. The products to be returned must be clean, unused, and undamaged. In addition, the rug base and upper surface must be instant in their original packaging and complete. The return process is done online. You can create your return request by entering Ruggable's official website. A special return label is provided to the customer for returns and the shipping fee is the customer's responsibility. If there is an error or defect in your order, you can contact customer service and request a free return. Some products cannot be returned, especially produce rugs, final sale products, and gift cards are not included in the return scope. If you want to change a product, Ruggable does not make direct exchanges. Instead, you must return the product and place a new order. Ruggable's flexible and user-friendly return policy gives you peace of mind when shopping.